In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image in a constant contact email campaign. Resizing images the right way helps your email look polished, load quickly, and display well on both desktop and mobile. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and along the way, I'll share simple tips to help you get clean, consistent results. Start by opening Constant Contact and navigating to the email campaign you want to edit. If you have multiple drafts, pick the one you're actively working on so your changes land in the right place. Once the editor opens, scroll to the section where your image appears. Click the image you want to resize. When it's selected, you'll see editing options appear either in a small toolbar near the image or in a panel on the side of the screen, depending on your version of the editor. This confirms the image block is active and ready to adjust. Open the image editing or resize option. Look for an edit button, a pencil icon, or a resize control. If you see options for image properties, that's usually where size settings live. Some editors also label this as image details or design. Now adjust the image size. You can drag the corner handles to scale it visually, which helps maintain the correct proportions and avoids stretching. For more precise control, use the width or size sliders in the editor controls. If numeric fields are available, entering a width is a great way to keep sizing consistent across your email. Aim for a size that fits naturally within the content area, leaving a bit of breathing room so text and buttons don't feel cramped. If the image looks distorted, undo or reset, then resize again using only the corner handles to preserve the aspect ratio. When you're happy with the size, save the image changes. Look for a Save, Apply, or Done button in the image editor. This commits your adjustments to the image within the email block. Give the editor a moment to update so you can see the resized image in context. Finally, preview the email to make sure the image fits correctly. Use the built-in preview to check both desktop and mobile views, since images can appear larger or stack differently on small screens. Confirm that the image aligns with surrounding content, that headlines and buttons still read clearly, and that there's comfortable spacing above and below the image. That's it. With these simple adjustments, your image will look clean, balanced, and on brand throughout your Constant Contact email.